In today's video, I'm going to teach you create Shopify product bundles in under 5 minutes. Free app guide. We're going to set up product bundles in Shopify using a free app so you can boost average order value fast. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to the Apps section. In the search bar there, type Barn2 to jump straight to the Shopify App Store results. When you see Barn2 bundles and bulk discounts, open it and click Install. Approve the permissions to complete the installation. You may see a second confirm screen. Go ahead and continue so the app connects to your store. Once the app opens, choose Create New Discount. You'll land on a screen with bundle and discount styles. You might see options like Volume Bundle and Bulk Pricing. For this setup, select Volume Bundle. If you briefly click into bulk pricing by accident, no problem. Just switch back to Volume Bundle before continuing. Next, choose where the bundle should apply. Select All Products so the discount can work across your catalog. Then choose All Markets so customers in every active market can see the offer. This is the fastest way to get started, and you can always narrow it to specific products or markets later. Open the Volume Bundle section to confirm the configuration. If you're just getting started, the defaults are a good baseline. The idea is simple. Customers get a discount when they buy more. Now set the active dates. You can leave this open-ended for an always-on bundle, or schedule start and end dates if you're planning a short promotion. In the display settings, select Theme Default so the bundle styling matches your storefront automatically. Turn on Show Original Price so shoppers can clearly see the regular price next to the discounted price. That visual contrast helps conversion because it highlights the savings. When everything looks right, click Save. After saving, click Open Theme Editor from within the app. This takes you to your live theme so you can place the bundle widget on product pages. In the editor sidebar, open your product template, click to add a new block, and choose Barn2 Bundles and Bulk Discounts. Drag it to the spot you prefer. Just under the price or near the Add to Cart button usually performs well. Save your theme changes. That's it. You've installed the free Barn2 Bundles and Bulk Discounts app, created a volume bundle that applies to all products and markets, scheduled its availability, enabled clear pricing display, and added the bundle block to your product template. Your store is now ready to offer automatic multi-unit discounts that encourage customers to buy more with every order.